husband needed a cutter, a hydraulic cutter, to trim trees out of our fence line. He built this for his skid steer. It's pretty cool. It didn't cost near what buying something with it. Hooks onto the frame there. And there you have it. That's kind of what it does. It's going to go in and cut a limb for you with the hydraulic cutter. Necessity creates invention. Pretty cool, huh? We have all these mesquites all over the pasture. You can trim down the fence line, trim down the road.